Don't worry, Bean Counter is on the way to help. I'm here to help! Where's my client's office? Where? Up, up, and away! And as you can see, the balance sheet clearly shows that our liabilities are astronomical. It just doesn't balance.
Looking at the income statement, these projections are simply catastrophic. We have massive liabilities and virtually no profit.
That's impossible. I told you my methods would work. We've increased Q4 profits by 300%. Wonderful, Len! You made a profit of $100,000 for the year! Your income statement is terrible! A loss of $10,000!
The projections on this chart confirm the scroll's predictions. By implementing these tactics, our success will be nothing short of heroic.
We need to expand these departments immediately. My projections show we can afford 20 new hires based on this budget. These numbers don't lie. We have to let go of 20% of the staff.
You can't do that. That's unacceptable.
By adding the superhero widget product line, our Q3 profits will skyrocket, increasing shares by this much.
As you can see from these projections, without the loan, we don't make payroll next week.
You assured us the demand was handled. This is unacceptable.
We need to get ready for income taxes. Lois, you won't believe this. I just saved a cat out of a tree using only my pinky finger.